Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back cakes, and if it's your first time tuning in, you're most definitely welcome. On this channel we focus on fashion, skincare and lifestyle, and today I have a fashion video. It's all things hair, what type of hair to wear during the winter season. We'll be wearing coats, we'll be wearing throws, we'll be wearing cardigans. Now we have to get the hair together so that you're not frustrated, right? So if you want to see what type of hair to preferably wear in winter wear, I'll give you my tips as a fashionista, as a liker of things. Please keep on watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, like this video, tell me what's your preferred winter hairstyle, and let's just get into it. Winter season here in South Africa, it's very cold. We have snow here. We have a very dry environment, so we tend to wear coats a lot. I'm currently residing in Johannesburg, South Africa, so we don't get snow, but we do get a lot of cold fronts in Joburg. So we wear a lot of coats and we make sure that we layer sis. So my preferred hairstyle that I love doing during winter season, as you can see I'm rocking it, I love a bob. A bob is everything to me. I love the fact that it reaches, especially the ones that reach my jawline, which is preferably a 10-8 inch. I'm able to just throw on a coat. It's long in terms of the fringe, it's in my face, but it's not taking over my outfit. I don't like long weaves during winter because I feel like I always have to tie it, move it just for me to feel comfortable and also to go with my hairstyles. Especially, I'm a person who likes layering, so I would wear a jersey and I'll throw a coat on top. I'm not really a scarf person because I have a short neck, but I love turtlenecks. So when I'm just wearing turtleneck, I'll definitely wear it with my long hair, but in most cases, because I'm throwing on a coat, I'll make sure that I'm wearing something short, like a cute bob. I do have different types of bob. I have a blonde one, like this is the 613 bob that I've enjoyed so much. It's nice and light as well. And I also have the blonde, honey blonde bob that I love to wear, especially when I'm wearing my black, just to make sure that I'm bright but not too much. And I also the black ones, a statement classic that I think every girl, especially if you're a wig person like me, a black bob will just get you in any outfit. Whether you're going to work, you're going to the streets, you will definitely be well put together and you will not have a lot of stress in terms of, oh my goodness, I don't think this thing will go with my outfits because it's too long. My second wig that I love, or hairstyle that I tend to go to during winter is a pixie wig. A pixie wig, it's for the days where I feel like I don't want something that will cover my ears. I don't have a problem with it. It's not too cold as well, and also I want to look elegant and chic. I've had this pixie for the longest of time. I've had it for 3 years now, or not 4, it's 3 or 4. I'm able to manipulate it, especially when it's good quality. You're able to style it and you're able to put product on it and it will still survive. A pixie, it always gives you that 1900s think it's so elegant but yet chic at the same time. I have a finger wave pixie, and I also have a long 8-inch pixie. It's actually short at the back, but at the front it has a bit of a bang, just for statement. Why I first got the finger wave one, then I was just over it because sometimes I don't want something that that's too flat, or I want something that will still cover my ears, but I want it to be extra short. So that's why I got a bang one. So a bang one is for those who feel like the finger wave pixie, you really have to be creative in how it looks. That's why a lot of people feel like, it doesn't suit me, but I feel like you just haven't played along with it enough for you to figure out which style will it go for your preferred face, because I honestly think that it goes for most face shapes, but you just have to figure out which style works better for you. And I'm still able to wear my scarf when I wear it, unlike when I'm wearing a bob. I don't like wearing a scarf because it's already here up to my neck or my chin. But a pixie, it's perfect for me if I want to throw a scarf and I still want to look made up, but I want to be free from the hair. So a pixie is a must-have. Number 3, it's braids. Braids are a must-have. I feel like honestly, for the longest of time now in 2021, I've been saying I want to braid my hair. It's just that Corona is just in my way. Braiding your hair is also protecting your hair as well from breakage as well, because sometimes when you wear your wigs, especially now that we tend to go too much to frontals, you can lose your hairline, or you can have some sort of discomfort or discoloration. So braids will definitely help you from getting that. And I like having twists. I would also love to have knotless braids. Knotless braids are definitely a in thing now. I think they're less tight on your hair. I love a fringe. I think there's something about wearing a turtleneck and then you just throw your fringe, or you're wearing a coat. It just brings that bit of Egyptian queen fierceness. But it's like, yeah man, I am, you're just here. I love that fringe of mine. The fringe, I've had it for now 3 years. I enjoy it so much. It's so warm. If I want something that also is easy to manipulate, because it's not irritating me in terms of me having to brush it every time again, it's definitely that fringe. The only thing that I'll just have to maintain will just be the front bang. But because of the fashion trends now, even when the bang is straight, it does not look weird like before. Well, when I was in high school, a fringe had to be like super curly and perfect, but now I'm able to just wear it even when it's flat. It still looks nice. I love the fringe, and I can also wear it with almost anything and everything. I did a video recently on my channel where I was trying on PQ clothing items, and I was wearing it. Actually, it's the first time I saw that it can actually also be worn with a bucket hat. I love it so much. Hairstyles, tell me, what is your preferred winter hairstyles, and let's just enjoy the fashion content. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube and my social media platforms. And